Hey everyone, welcome back to 99 Reviews. Today, we're diving into 3 popular video editing software by. Whether you're a beginner or looking to explore new tools, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first software is known as Clipchamp, and this software is mostly pre-installed in Windows 11, but if you are using Windows 10 or lower, simply go to your browser and search Clipchamp download, click on the first link, then press try it for free on the right upper corner. After this, sign up through any account you want to be, Google, Microsoft or whatever you likes. After you sign up, simply install from the right upper corner. When the installing is complete, Clipchamp will directly open in your Windows. Here is the interface of Clipchamp, a very user-friendly and simple. You can place your media on the left side, timeline will be shown on the bottom area, and the final results on the right upper side. There are a lot of ready-made templates, and voices are also available in this editor. Now we move towards second editor, which is CapCut. To download this, search CapCut download for PC in search bar and download from first link. Its installing method is very simple, just one-click method. So don't worry about how to install. Here is the interface of CapCut. This software is also a very simple and user-friendly. Initial interface of all the 3 softwares are same. Here you can import media. This space is for timeline. And this right upper space is for final results. In this software you can extract video up to 4K without any watermark. There are also a lot of free templates as well. The third and last one is really good and best of the all. Its name is DaVinci Resolve. To download, search DaVinci Resolve in Chrome or Microsoft Edge and open the first link. Scroll down and download from this bar for Windows, Mac or whatever you have. When you click on download, a form like this will appear in front of you. Fill this form and register yourself to DaVinci Resolve. Now the download has started. Wait for the download to complete. Here the download is completed and DaVinci Resolve is installed in my PC. Simply open DaVinci. Here is the interface of DaVinci, which is same as both of the previous editors and a very simple as well, media space, a timeline and a final result space. But the one very good thing is its paid templates, fonts and musics are free to use, and you can also extract your video up to 4K in resolution, which is really amazing. There you have it, Clipchamp, CapCut, and DaVinci Resolve each bring something unique to the table. The best choice depends on your editing needs and expertise. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next showdown.